up yourself again in your way. May your basket never be empty. May Father God always provide something for you so you can help the needy who need it especially. One love. Yes, sir.
And we have another $5,000 from J. Dell from Canada. 5,000 from J. Dell from Canada.
Bless it up. Bless it up, Father God, and bless the anniversary.
That's J. Dell.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Flashing.
Yo, Daddy, I say, where they come from?
Yeah, I dream of money. I second wife is in I dream of money. Yeah, then never go down, never got jail.
Yeah. Look. I think that's more than you get. No one. Make sure it doesn't sit up. This. That's all. That's too rough to get the tire. Yeah. Spray out the whole of them part where I bleed. Anywhere you go, I see it bleed. I spray it out, I have to level up back to each other. But that's a kind of alright. do the rest right there. Over there. Last. Right, sit up. Right, sit up.
Fish.
You get some, man?
Yeah.
Listen.
Natesha, come in, Natesha. Painting looks so too wonderful, hammer, and it look better with paintbrush, you know. Because see, I choke the hammer, and I say you hold hammer in your paint.
I can't hold it too far, and you know. I don't have the right chop out too far.
You see, I chop out.
That's the flashing, you can hold it now, you know.
Natesha, what's popping? I go and take it easy. No better now then.
Better now then.
So I go and take it easy for the time being. Yes, not. As I said, the journey is not too far away. And looking to everyone looking forward to see the opening. So you know that also we're on the verge of tiling next. So Baja.
Yeah.
So we have tiling and painting.
And the partition, you know, sir.
And the partition right in here. So we're able to put on a pliers so split it in a room.
Yeah.
So there's more space. And then put in like in here as well too. So reach a point now. See me where I also do and then to reach out towards Natesha. Come towards the tiling and you know towards the painting. So you know we're gonna need paint and we're gonna also need tile. So we're gonna work with what we have at the minute, how we can work with. So we always also doing it, then can reach out to Natesha towards our tile. So you know for the bathroom, as you can see, bathroom on the verge. And Baja, we are there for now with the door.
Eh?
We are the right.
Alright, see here, you don't really have to have a door here.
Okay.
Where you see yourself?
Yeah.
Bathroom, you don't see you have to have a door. Right here. But you need a back door for this.
We need a back door for right here.
Yeah, so that one, the state of the one there. So that now having the door jam. Have on the door.
Yeah.
Need a door for this, one here.
So she need two doors.
Yeah.
One for the bathroom and one for the back door. So this are bedroom, you say you don't need no door. You say you need no privacy, not fish. Need privacy?
Yeah.
She gonna need a door, man. She gonna want her privacy.
Alright.
So definitely gonna need a door.
Yeah. So, a 2-ply door.
2-ply door.
2-ply door and a back door.
So she's gonna need 2-ply door and a back
Outside door.
outside door. But she definitely gonna need her privacy. Away from when the cheat and lock up in here. So. I think she'll go there, she don't want to say yes, she's gonna need privacy. Need it, of course, and she lock up in her polish. Yeah, so we have to do one of them. For them, we can't thank them enough for them done so far and reach so far on the journey because of them and the Almighty. So we give thanks to them all the time. And we are asking them for this last push to get the tile and the paint. You're gonna need 3 doors, 2-ply door and an outside door. So we are asking us in the name of the Almighty. We have put the word outside now. We can speak it into being, so we know a donor is gonna reach out towards the cause because this is what needs at the minute. So we will try our best and so we can work towards anything we have with us can work towards it. So we'll just thank the donor them. Can't thank them enough for them done so far because them done a mighty job for this far at the minute, so we can't stop thanking them. I will give thanks to the Almighty to make it possible. So Natesha, me also have $5,000 for you as well too. From Ria. Not Ria Badger. So Ria from Germany. Same said $5,000 and this is towards paint. Something says it's $5,000 from Ria towards paint.
Bless up yourself, Ray. Bless the hand where it come from. Bless the hand where it going on before it reach me.
So give thanks to Ria.
Bless up yourself again, Ray. May your basket never be empty. May Father God always provide something for you so you can help the needy who need it especially. One love. Bless up.
And we have another $5,000 from J. Dell from Canada. 5,000 from J. Dell from Canada.
Bless it up. Bless it up, Father God, and bless the anniversary.
Yeah. That's J. Dell.
Big up yourself in a J. Dell. Many thanks. May God provide for you. May your basket never be empty or your family. One love and more blessing.
Yeah. So
big up yourself in all of the donors them. Reach out, not only to me, but to all who really need it. Big up yourself in Ricardo. Big up yourself, IT. Pablo Guan stay so. Brown in a one love. You can call out the rest of the donor them. To know yourself, I love what say. Big up on yourself. Me on the basket never be empty. May God always provide for you so you can provide for the needy. One love.
One love.
Big up Dream Team. Whenever Dream Team, I would go so far. And big up Father God. Kino just want to hold it in. Big up yourself.
Every time. So we give thanks to all the donors them. Give thanks to the Almighty. So as I just said, there's too much name for call. So we don't want some donors.
Big up Love Base Station.
Wow.
Big up the church.
Every time. Well, Freeport Church of Christ.
Big up all who sponsor the tool them to get the works done.
Yeah, so. Me the words of Natesha. It's not Natesha, it's Natesha. Because some of them still are calling Natesha for some reason. It's Natesha.
Yes.
So
Natesha.
So big up on yourself, all the donors, all the viewers, all the subscribers.
All the time, big up.
Yeah, so
you can't pray on you know. We will have to ask God to provide for you and go and keep you. And we can't do it for you.
Yeah, for real.
Father God alone have to do it. Father God do it for you, so we can do it for you.
Yeah.
Then at the end of the day, somebody can help somebody in the longer run.
Yeah. So, mother of 3, living in this condition for the last 10 years. You know, she's still a hold strong from then till now. So
you have life, you have to hold it, you know.
Alright.
You have to go and hold it.
Yeah, so she has worked for this long, so we give thanks. You know, for your blessings finally I reach you, so at least now our living condition can much better. Not least can put a smile on her face. Take off some of the weight them off her shoulder. You know, so yeah, so we give thanks all the time.
My brother smiles so much when you see me. So I have to big up Dream Team to put it for me.
Sure.
And big up Father God alongside the donors.
Yeah.
Can't stop big on me.
Sure. I remember a picture to show you one time I first come around here, you know. And when on a recent one up to now. You just see the big changes, you know. So donors big up on yourself. Donors clap on yourself. Yeah, like for the Dream Team always clap themselves. So donors may ask them to clap on themselves.
We might not can go, no? But the dreams them all come true too.
Yeah, man, true.
They might
So
have
donors,
come true. Like how they make my one come true.
yeah.
The Dream Team one them not start yet, you know. They run the corner wait for them.
Yeah, yeah.
Them for just go and hold it and hold the faith. And when the time come, then just grab it.
Yeah, of course. And them said nothing done before the time, you know. Because we never know.
You have to do Psalms a day.
Keep the devil away. So, you
Just have
know,
to pray.
because we never know. Some blessings come early and some take time. So it's all about patience in life.
I just when I hear time, I hear time.
I hear time.
No time to come before it, nothing.
So just
When I hear time, I hear time.
so just hold the sanity, don't lose it. Never
When I hear
return.
time to shine, I hear time.
So all the donors them, yeah, we're praying for you all the time. We're asking you to continue to reach out to Natesha. Because we're on this journey right now where it's close to an end. And we're not far away. So we're at the last hurdle now, right, Baja?
Yeah.
So the button there, the button there third.
Turn at the straight.
On the turn bend now. You know, we're there, so we're so reach the finishing line. So what we need now to reach to the finishing line, you know, as we say, paint and tile, also with pin set.
Yeah, because you know sometimes when you see the work now move us out for really move it, we really have to wait for the contribution to come in in order to get the stuff to make the work progress. So you know, the blessings of the donors them and them continuation of supporting, we just have to have patience with them sometime and wait till them do so and then we do our thing. You know? So as we say, all the donors them from day one until this time we always have to bless them up and thank them.
Yeah.
Because without them, all of this way we are doing wouldn't possible.
Wouldn't possible.
We have the mind and the intention, the man strength and the power and the will to do it. But it take cash for care. And without, you know, it's not possible.
Wouldn't possible.
So as we are saying, right across the board, all donors, we don't call the name. Big up on yourself, the whole of you, and know yourself. Father God continue to bless you and support the people them in need. Because I'm there to lend the support you. And see me I do it here. I have to take a time sometime, you know, because I forgot to go look my own, but at the same time I have to take my time to come back home. Put my
in the time, yeah.
That's some of the pain can really ease, you know. So as I say, bless up on yourself, man.
Every time. So that's the words of Baja, motivational speaker, the Dream Team teacher. So without Uno, it wouldn't be possible. You know, so we just, if I wouldn't Uno there, we're just in numbers and nothing. We're just there in numbers. The heart is willing, but the pocket is weak. Very weak, so we can't start thanking you.
Can't stop.
Everlasting thanks, you know.
Holy for appreciation, holy for love.
Yeah.
Holy.
Too much. And we don't know if we repay on as well. So why?
Can't repair it.
Just ask the Almighty for guide and protection in this.
That's all we have to do.
Blessings on top of blessings for you, because otherwise
that
it's too much.
You know, so we look sometimes I know so them people are great and blessed. It's you know the recession because from this pandemic. People find it hard and difficult. Snowstorm we're there in Texas. And people still find it in themselves to give same way.
Yeah.
You know, we can't thank you enough. You know, so you have your problem, at the same time you look on the problem, you know. You, somebody who less fortunate than you.
True.
Yeah, man, enough blessing, man.
Yeah, man, enough blessings, man, every time, man. Boy, right during this time, I tell you. Cause a lot of people lose them job now.
Yeah. Only for them.
And them still try to make the effort same way to make something real same way. So you know.
Only for blessing, only for love.
Yeah man, Father God
Only for
everlasting.
guidance.
Father God, everlasting blessing I pour down town, man. Can't stop pour.
Father God, now make him children them fall by the wayside. No. Always dead for them, man.
Always I'm dead for them.
Yeah, man, you carry your secret difficult and rough. The naysayers them always gonna lose out to them.
Yeah. We always pray for them more, you know.
Yeah.
Because they need it more than anything else.
Them find them way, you know.
Yeah.
Them last.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, them find them way.
Yeah, man, they need it more than anything else.
Of course, got them weak.
They're weak. They don't lose them sanity long time. Of course.
Say this and say that. And we are them enough to keep them alive.
Of course.
They're doing, you know?
Right through the path. So Natesha, all the viewers them are going to see this day. When time this is the opening day, you know? With the help of the Almighty.
Same way, so.
Everything is possible.
Same way, so by the help of the Almighty. Don't meet some already, I'm sorry, I can't meet all alone. But through the pandemic, just have to meet on YouTube.
Alright.
Still a pray for me. Can't stop pray for me. Enough love.
Every time. Alright, then give thanks. Cheers.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.